To all drummers feeling stuck, this is an open letter to you. Remember the first time you got your very first drum set and how it looked all set up in your house? More importantly, remember how you felt getting your drum set for the very first time? If you're anything like me, you felt a nervous energy that made you scared and excited at the same time. Then, with slight intimidation, you sat in one of the most important chairs you can ever sit in. Picking up those sticks just felt right, like you were right where you were supposed to be. The first note you played was the very first step in an incredibly rewarding journey, and that is where the passion started. From this moment on, each time you went to practice, you were met with an excitement and joy. But even more importantly, you saw progress. You were getting better, and that only motivated you more. For months, you kept getting better and better, but then it hit you hard. You got hit with a drumming rut. Now you're feeling like your playing is growing stagnant, or maybe that your progress is even regressing. You keep practicing, but the only thing that grows is your frustration. You start to panic a bit. Is this the end of the road? Is this as far as I'm able to go in my drumming? Why is it so easy for everyone else when it's only becoming harder for me? Maybe I just wasn't meant to be a drummer. Maybe I just suck. To make it worse, you see tons of other drummers online who are totally crushing it. They seem to never have any issues in their playing at all. There's no way that these pro drummers have ever experienced a lack of confidence on the kit. Times where they fell into a drumming rut and simply felt frustrated by their playing, right? Wrong. I have felt all of this and more. You are not alone. I'd like to set the record straight. If you're in a rut, it's not because you are a bad drummer. This happens to all of us. With that said, I'd like to introduce you to Imposter Syndrome. Imposter Syndrome is that voice in your head that says you aren't good enough, or you'll never reach your goals on the kit. Or my least favorite one, you just weren't given the gift of drumming. I find myself spending a lot of time with Imposter Syndrome, but there's one thing to know about him. He's a liar. We all have voices of doubt and comparison that tear us down. They are not the truth. Even the best drummers in the world have had many times in their playing where they have felt discouraged, feeling the weight of that drumming rut along with imposter syndrome holding them down, both in their playing and in how they feel. As destructive as these thoughts are, there's a silver lining. As drummers, we all share this experience together. This is a piece that connects all of us, no matter where you are in your journey. If you felt this, it shows that you are willing to participate in the journey of self-improvement, which is always a messy process, but always a journey worth going on. No matter how frustrating, there's always something rewarding waiting for you down the road. You just have to take the small but necessary steps to meet it there. I'd like for you to remember these 3 words. Keep pushing forward. Commit to take that single step forward, no matter how frustrated you feel, no matter how awkward your practice time gets, no matter what other people say. Keep pushing forward. Because if you do, eventually you will look back and not even recognize the drummer that you were before. Progress is progress, no matter how slow it is, no matter how messy it is. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other. You can do this. Whatever your goals on the drums are, if you are willing to put in the necessary work and go through the growing pains, you can achieve your goals. Keep pushing forward and stay true to what you are passionate about. The rest will follow. So holy crap, that was a super fun video to make. It feels really good to be back because, as a lot of you know, I haven't posted on YouTube in a while, and that's because I was in a bit of a creative rut myself. And a big part of what got me out is this idea of keep pushing forward that the students at DBO Academy have really brought to life. The way that they push past their drumming ruts is truly one of the most inspiring things to me, and that is why I am here back speaking to you. So if you have any interest in joining this amazing community, you can join the waitlist right here, totally for free. I'll send you a free lesson. It's a really, really awesome place. But if not, I hope that this video brought value to you, helped inspire you to play drums and to get better, because seriously, You've got this. So keep pushing forward and stay true, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.